Okay, now it's time to test it. Of course, you have to towel dry. For better results, you have to do it by area. So, I tied my hair first. Then, I left some there. So, just turn it on here. Okay. Then, there. Normally, if you use hair dryer, you have to use a brush and the blower so at the same time. So, dalawa pa yung hawak mo. Which is sometimes nakakapagod. So, with this one, isa na lang yung gagamitin mo. You don't need the hairbrush kasi the brush is already here. So, as you can see, there are holes. See? There. There are holes in the brush. So, dun dadaan yung mainit na hangin. That will help you dry your hair. At the same time, style na rin the hair. So, very easy siya. Very easy siya to use. So, just turn it on. There are 3 numbers. So, level 1, level 2, and level 3. I normally use level 2. There. So, just get part of your hair and then turn on the thing and then naman na siya. Ayan lang. So, just let it dry there. Of course, you towel dry first para it's easier. Don't let it dry na hindi nagaganito or na nababrush. Oops, sorry. There. Of course, in the salon, it's okay to use the brush and the hair dryer kasi meron naman somebody who does it for you. Pero syempre, kung tayo mismo yung gagawa, it's a lot easier pag ganito lang kasi isa na lang yung hawak nyo. See? So now, I have the second layer to do this. So, so, yun na yung mirror ko. See there. Diba? Easy lang. Almost done na. I only do 3 layers, so this will be the 3rd layer now.
A few minutes later.
See, there. All done. You see it? Same results naman for hair dryer. So, okay naman siya. There, see? Here. So, it comes in different brushes. So, you can replace the brush. There. So, palitan mo lang siya if you want. It depends on what you like. Kasi it comes with the one that I showed you, yung meron pang straight na hair. So, it comes in 3 different brushes. Change nyo lang siya. Like this one. Magsasnap lang siya dyan. There. Press this and release. Or, push lang when you want to put the new one. So, there. See, very easy lang. So there, so very convenient talaga siya to use kasi isa na lang yung hawak nyo. You don't have to hold the brush and hair dryer at the same time kasi nandito na lahat. There. So, very easy. And again, you can change the brush. This actually comes in different brands, of course. So, maraming mga iba-ibang brands nito. Meron din mga iba-ibang style ng brush. Merong mga malalapad. So, it depends na lang kung ano yung gusto nyo. The one I'm using right now is Vidal Sassoon. So, okay naman siya. Sulit pa rin siya kasi it does the job very well. And it's very easy and convenient to use. So there, I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something from it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell below so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you again for watching. Bye!